Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I just want to do a video where I just go through, certain crypto mining parts that are potentially available right now. All right, so this video is going to be like I made the same day and you guys are going to see this video the same day. So hopefully this will help some people that are looking for hardware, and this is going to go alongside with the video I just released this morning. So yeah, I want to do this video because there are some people that are trying to look for, a motherboard or something like that, and I just want to just give you guys some insight on how to, research this kind of stuff. So I'm going to go through like a bunch of different things, what kind of hardware we can look at, what kind of websites we can look at, and just talk about a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, guys. So I want to start off first with GPUs. All right. So this, I'm just going to go fly through this really quick because buying GPUs right now, it's ridiculous. Like, it's extremely hard, but you have to be pretty lucky in order to get them. So Newegg Shuffle. All right. You guys have probably already heard this, and Newegg, like, I would say almost every day has a shuffle. So you guys just go to their website, newegg.com/product-shuffle. And yeah, they have one like every morning, I think, for the past couple weeks now that I've been seeing. Not every day, but it's quite often. And so I would, try your luck there. And then the next place is I did make a video about how I bought 30 series cards back in February 9th, okay, of 2021. And this video got lots of views, but it also got lots of dislikes from a lot of gamers. You guys can go look at the comments if you'd like, but in the links in the description, you guys can go there, and I have a bunch of links here that you guys can try and try your luck there to see if you can get GPUs. And I'm sure there are other websites out there that can potentially have 30 series cards, but these I would say are the most popular ones. I've heard Shop BLT fulfilling some GPUs out there right now, and Best Buy, of course, having a lot, and Micro Center, of course, which I think you have to go to the store locally anyway, physically. So yeah, Newegg as well. Yeah, there's like a bunch here, so you guys can check out those links in that video. I'll have this video linked down below. Okay, now let's talk about motherboards. All right, so I would say this is the most common one that a lot of people do ask. And like, to be honest, you can use any motherboard, like any computer that's out there, even like a pre-built, like an old school Dell or an HP, even though it has like one PCIe slot, you can like buy one of those. If you can buy those, it's like a 4-to-1 USB splitter. Yeah, I think it's a splitter. Let's see here. I think these are not available, as I think a lot of miners have been buying them, but let me just see here. Ubit has a PCIe splitter. I think that's the most common one that I've seen here. Yeah, so something like this. Okay, here's a JIUWU PCIe Express 1x to 3.1x switch multiplier hub. So essentially you plug in your mining risers into here. So this is actually a new one that I've never tried before. This is actually pretty cool. And actually, I just want to see if they have the regular USB one. You guys have probably seen them before. Yeah, I don't see them on Amazon. So yeah, I have a feeling they are out of stock. Anyways, you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I'll try to put a picture on the screen here as I edit this video. But anyways, let's go back to mining motherboards. So this is a search term that I put in onto Amazon. Like, this is where I usually buy my motherboards in Canada, but I'm on Amazon.com right now. But you guys can see here, Asus Prime Z390-P. And here, this one looks like it supports 8th and 9th gen CPUs. So we're going to try to find a Celeron processor. So let's just see here if it's in stock. Yeah, so it's in stock. All right, decently in stock, which is great. This has 6 PCIe slots. So this is great for a 6 GPU mining rig. And it does have 2 M.2 slots. But I think the first M.2 slot that you guys can see at the top there is only able to utilize the PCIe to M.2 adapter. You may be able to get those. Those might be out of stock. Actually, we're going to search here, M.2 PCIe adapter. And yeah, here's one. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here's one right here. $12. Okay, so M.2 to PCIe. Then you can plug your mining riser into there. Okay, so what I mean by mining riser is like a GPU riser.com riser. You just plug that into there, and yeah, that might work for some of you. But going back to the motherboard, okay, so now let's find a 9th gen CPU, for instance. And for those looking for, CPUs, I know it can be incredibly difficult right now. So for these ones, I know a lot of miners have been buying these. So just for example, let's just, put into Amazon here a G4930. Okay, so let's put G4930 and let's see. It doesn't come up. Nothing comes up. I think all the miners have bought them. It looks like the G5900 has come up, but this one is only supported on the Intel 4000 series. Okay, so the motherboard we were looking at was a Z390 300 series. So if the G5900 is available, looks like it is. Only 2 left in stock soon though. But if we find a Z490P, let's see if this motherboard comes up. Oh, yeah, I mean then the motherboard costs 2 times more than the Z390. Ooh, so that's a little bit rough for sure. Free delivery in stock, March 29th delivery. Okay, so yeah, it looks like this one's in stock, but the price is, that's a bit too much. That's a bit too much to my liking. But yeah, if you can try to find, one of these CPUs on this list here, let's just put G5420 into Amazon here and see if it comes up. G5420. Yeah, here we go. But is it available? Available from these sellers. $138, $140. Okay, yeah. Looks like there's a few sellers here. Decent amount. Platinum Micro. Yeah. I believe that's AAA Wave. $138. Yeah, that's not too bad. And I know some people may be asking, Red Panda, what about AMD, like X470 motherboards? Yeah, I mean, you could go with these, but the Ryzen 3 motherboard, sorry, the CPUs also cost a lot. But you can see here, they do have 6 PCIe slots and only $111. So that's pretty decent. But when you go to find a Ryzen 3 CPU, the price goes up quite a bit, $200, right? So you can do the math there, do the delta between going Intel or going Ryzen or AMD. So yeah, I mean, I've always generally gone Intel for mining rigs. So that's something you guys can do at your own risk. I know plenty of people do it, and it works. Anyways, yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. Amazon is like one of my favorite places just to buy motherboards and CPUs when they are available, of course. Anyways, guys, yeah, here's the 10th gen CPU, Pentium Gold and Celeron for those that are looking for the Intel 4000 series chipset, okay? I'll have both of these charts linked down below, but you guys can easily Google search that as well. Okay, so to couple with the motherboard, CPU, you probably need to find RAM as well, which I think RAM is generally in stock. It looks like RAM is no problem. So yeah, it looks like DDR4 RAM is pretty cheap generally. And SSDs, you guys just need like a 120 gig SSD, mainly if you're gonna go Hive OS. And it looks like, yeah, this is generally in stock as well. Kingston 120 gigs. I have a lot of these. These ones work just perfect for me. And yeah, in stock. Okay, now you guys would need some risers. Now I'm gonna obviously shill gpurisers.com. If you guys want to order risers, use offer code RedPandaMining and you will get 10% off. Okay, so let's just add this to cart right now. It's not in stock, but you can pre-order and apparently they will ship out on March 29th. Okay, but if you can't wait, then I'm sure you can just go to Amazon and type in mining risers and you can probably see a whole bunch here. Yeah, like these Ubit 6-packs, like I've used these before. They're totally fine, but looks like there's a whole bunch of different ones on here. It looks like 6-pack 009S ALB. These look very, very familiar. Yeah, I mean, this might be good too. Looks like they're $60 on Amazon in stock, they say. So hey, this might be something. If you're really needing risers right now, and of course, every day that you're missing out on mining, you're losing profits, right? But anyways, for gpurisers.com, if you want to buy off them, guys, just enter the coupon code RedPandaMining, and you guys can see you get $6.50 off. And so the total is $58.49. So it's a little bit cheaper than buying on Amazon, but it's not available, but it will be available March 29th. Okay, so pre-order now, and yeah, you'll get them free shipping within the United States. Okay, awesome. All right, so going along, that's risers. Now another place you guys can look for mining hardware. Now I would say this is more so for people in the EU, and you can see mineshop.eu. They have sent me a bunch of stuff before, like servers and a graphic card just recently, an RX 6800, which I'll have a video really soon. But let's just check here if they have anything. Mineshop.eu. So let's go to their graphic cards. Looks like they have 1660 Supers. The price is definitely quite high, so I don't know if I would recommend buying it, but I mean, yeah, prices for GPUs are just ridiculous, and you guys know why. I just explained that earlier. But let's just keep going here. Let's go motherboards. Let's see if they have any motherboards. Yeah, okay, so they have a Gigabyte B250 FinTech. Oh, this is the 12 GPU mining motherboard, so that's really good. Oh, they have some ASRock H110s. Yes, these are also very nice. These are really nice. And I've seen them go for like $400 on eBay. So, man, yeah, it looks like they have these available. It looks like it says used, though. Oh, actually, both of these are used. So, yeah, use these at your own risk. Let's see, processors. Let's see if they have any processors. G1840. This is for the older chipset, H81 or Z97. Yeah, I don't think this one will work for the newer Edge stuff. So yeah, I wouldn't even look at that. Okay, well, yeah, if you guys need anything, mineshop.eu, take a look here. They also potentially, oh no, all their mining servers are out of stock. Looks like they do have a used 10 GPU pre-built mining rig without graphic cards. Includes all other components. Oh, interesting. So this comes with motherboard and everything, fans and power supply. Okay, well, this might be a decent option for some people that are really needing all the stuff. So wow, that's really cool. It comes with two 1200 watt LEDX power supplies. I believe that's yeah, that's really nice. Okay, wow, comes with everything, huh? Interesting. Looks like this is available. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if people really want to try that, give it a try. And yeah, guys, so mineshop.eu, I'll have a link down below. You guys can go check it out. Okay, next website that you guys can look for crypto mining hardware now is Nerdgear. So I just recently heard they just stocked some graphic cards, and I believe, okay, they had the 2080s in stock, like I would say yesterday, and now it's already it's already sold out. So, but the yeah, the only other GPUs I see here are 1080 Ti's, which are I personally would not buy these for mining right now. Yeah, these are already phased out in terms of hash rate and efficiency. So yeah, I wouldn't buy 1080 Ti's, just gonna be really honest there. Okay, so realistically, no graphic cards right now. Power supplies, they don't have power supplies right now. I will show you guys where power supplies are available. Okay, so just one sec. Let's just see what else Nerdgears has. It looks like they're sold out a lot of stuff because, as you guys know, crypto mining is really profitable, so everything is out of stock everywhere. I mean, you guys probably already know that, but okay, yeah, Nerdgears doesn't have that much in stock besides those 1080 Ti's. So yeah, okay, there's nothing here, but Nerdgears, you guys know, they have sponsored me in the past, and I really appreciate them a lot. Okay, next website, guys, power supplies. Let's talk about power supplies. Parallel Miner. Now, I'm not affiliated with them, but I will have a review of their game changer board, or the ZSX breakout board. So recently I purchased this myself. I didn't ask them to send me anything, but there is this breakout board. All right, look at this. It has like the 24 pin CPU and PCIe all in one. So you just don't need a ATX power supply. Okay, so actually, if you guys are looking for like a whole setup with the cables and everything, all that you need, I found that they have this one in stock. Okay, so this is let's just open up a picture here. So you get the 1200 watt platinum rated power supply, server power supply. You get the awesome breakout board, the game changer board. It's got like 24 pin, all the PCIe for your GPUs, and also fan headers if you have some fans and stuff. And then it's got the cabling for the ATX, going into your motherboard. So really cool. You don't need to utilize a standard ATX power supply. And you guys know, right now, ATX power supplies are extremely expensive, right? So yeah, $122 for this whole kit. Actually, if we have to choose, if we did the +12 6+2 pin PCIe cable. So there you go, $136.50. All right. And it looks like they have 53 in stock as of recording this. So yeah, you guys will see this. It looks like it's available. I'll have a link down below. You guys can just go to this link here. I'm not affiliated. I won't get any commission. So awesome power supply here. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys a review of this hopefully really soon. I should receive it fairly soon. Okay, so yeah, that's the power supply I would recommend. Yeah, if you guys can get this, it's pretty good. Now, if you guys are looking for mining frames, now AAA Wave, I don't know if recently you guys saw that they had their 12 GPU in stock. Now, if you saw that video, just like I would say a day or so ago, they should have their 12 GPU in stock for the next couple days. Go check it out. Right now they're out of stock, so the link is down, but it should be up really soon. Maybe if you see this video, it might be up again. So just go check their website and go to GPU mining components, go to the set A frame only, and it should show up right here. Okay, but looks like now they have a different mining frame here available, the 6 to 8 GPU frame for 70 bucks. All right, like only 8 in stock, so this is probably going to go really quick. I did make a mining frame video just recently, just talking about mining frames. You can like go to Home Depot and spend like 20-30 bucks on like supplies and make aluminum angled wooden frames yourself. I've talked about that before. You can just go search up on YouTube how to make a mining frame, and you should see Guntus's video. That's the one that I follow. Here it is. How to build your 6 GPU Ethereum open air frame for mining Ether. This is 4 years ago, and it still pertains to today. It still works. Like, I know Bitsby Trippin also does mining frames like this as well. So yeah, like really cheap option alternative if you guys don't want to spend money on your mining frame. So yeah, that's it. And I think Amazon has mining frames as well if you guys want a frame. I mean, also you can also do like the Amazon basic shelves. Amazon basics shelf. These guys, okay, these are really popular as well, and you can just hang your GPUs with zip ties or, you know, stuff like that. Actually, I've seen like Chump Change. You can get like the 3D printed GPU hanger. Go watch Chump Change's video. I'll have a link down below. Really awesome guy. Go subscribe to him as well. And yeah, you can use, you know, these kind of shelves to essentially just, you know, yeah, these are only 60 bucks, right? So how many GPUs can you fit on here? Quite a bit. And so, you know, looking at mining frames, you know, they're like 70 bucks right now. You can just buy this Amazon basic shelf and do a DIY style mining rig frame on your shelf instead. So that is also an option. Okay, and then finally, guys, another place that I like to search up just mining hardware is Craigslist. So I'm in Austin, Texas, for example. You can just type in mining motherboard. I've had some good luck buying crypto mining hardware on Craigslist, and it's been good. It's been good, but it totally depends, right? Some places may not have anything. It totally depends where you live, but it looks like there's a $100 mining motherboard here, and have motherboard asking 100, comes with the CPU. Oh, wait, oh, looks like it's just the board. He says the one with the CPU has been sold. I also have DDR4 RAM, 8 GB or 16 GB per stick. Okay, so I'm sure you can, like, you know, do some haggling there or something. But, you know, Craigslist is awesome. Just another website that you can search up for used hardware and, you know, power supplies as well. Always a good place just to check just in case. But yeah, ATX power supplies are really expensive. I want to see if, you know, for people looking for older mining motherboards like G3930 processors or G4400. It's like Austin, Texas. Looks like a lot of people buy them because I know that a lot of people are buying like older mining motherboards, like 7th gen processors compatible. So, oh, look at this new crypto mining rig, 12,500. Oh my goodness. 4 3060 Ti's and 2 3070 Founders Editions. Okay. Yeah, no, that's way too expensive. I would not pay that much, guys. Please don't. But man, you guys know, you guys understand the market for GPUs is just crazy, right? So anyways, guys, that is it. I think I explained, you know, just some places where you can search up some stuff and just the guts for your crypto mining hardware. Like Parallel Miner for the power supplies is actually a really good place in my opinion. So yeah, I would check them out. And yeah, mineshop.eu, Nerd Gears, GPU risers for risers if you guys are interested. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you guys know any other places to search up mining hardware, just let me know. Put it in the comments, help some other people out. But otherwise, for me, Amazon has never failed me when it comes to motherboards and stuff like that. But or more so, I know a lot of people have been buying it recently because it's just, you know, it's profitable right now. So that makes sense. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one and peace out.